someplace else with a lot of cars. We're gonna show you one right now.
We would like to introduce you to Tokyo Dream, an unforgettable 2003 350Z. Body mods include eye-catching Lamborghini doors, Seibon carbon fiber hood, Seibon carbon fiber trunk, and door panels, a Veilside wide body kit, and an APR carbon fiber front diffuser. Over 100 hours was invested in the custom airbrush paintwork using Createx Colors. The famous anime character is the mysterious black-haired girl with one blue eye, known as Black Rock Shooter. She appears in movies, TV, and her own game of the same name. All this incredible, detailed airbrushing was done by MAX EASTMAN from Newport, Tennessee. If you think Max deserves some recognition for his artistic talent, please comment #insane respect for Max. That's insane respect for Max, all one word, in the comments below. This 2003 Nissan is powered by a 2006 VQ35 engine with Seibon carbon fiber engine components, a skunk 2 throttle body, 1.1 intake injectors. The VQ35 is breathing in through an Injin Cold air intake and roars out of the Injin Headers and full engine exhaust. All this helps the healthy V6 produce 350 horsepower at the wheels, making it a true 350 horsepower Z car. All this horsepower travels through an ACT Stage 5 clutch and manual transmission built to withstand 650 horsepower. The 350Z interior is enhanced with a royal blue dash, while the samurai sword shifter rests nicely in a carbon fiber console connected to a short shift kit. All controls are comfortably within reach as you sit in the bucket seats recovered in blue and black suede. As you grip the custom matching quick-release steering wheel, you may take notice of the two 7-inch video monitors in the doors and the two 12.5-inch video monitors in the sun visors. Within reach of your fingertips is also a Kenwood touchscreen head unit connected to four 6.5-inch JL audio speakers and two 12-inch subwoofers fed by a 1200-watt SKR amplifier. This Nissan 350Z suspension is just as impressive as the rest of this Z car. The complete ARK Performance aluminum alloy suspension also houses an Airbaggit air ride suspension system, and it all sits on Veilside wheels, 18 by 9.5 in the front, 18 by 10.5 in the rear. At night, LEDs on the interior, exterior, and wheels give this amazing 350Z a mysterious, irresistible glow. new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything exciting. The next vehicle could be your favorite vehicle, or your friend's vehicle, or even your own vehicle. You can look forward to seeing full-length videos of some of these other incredible vehicles we found at the Time to Shine Auto Show. Also check out our videos from last year's Time to Shine Auto Show. Check in our description or a pinned comment below to find out our live schedule. We usually live twice a week. affiliate links in the description of our videos to die-cast cars and other merch. Check out our full-length videos on some of the most famous movie cars and TV show cars in the world. Watching our videos. Many of the events, shows, and people that we feature on our videos support much needed charities.
Bastante de eventos que nosotros filmea soporta caridad.
Please take a child or a friend to one of these events and make sure that they're aware of all the good works that the great people of the car community do.
Por favor, lleva un niño o un amigo a los eventos para que sepa de buenos trabajos que hacen los coordinadores de evento. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.